G'day everybody, welcome back to the channel. Okay, so today I thought I'd do a little video because I got a few things in the mail which could be interesting for you guys to see. Trusty knife. So let's crack this bad boy open and see what we've got in here. Alright, so I might put the camera down a little bit so you guys can see a bit more easily. Ooh, there we go. Righto. So here we go. This is the box. Aha. So here we go. This is an original master recording of Alan Parsons' Eye in the Sky. So this is pretty interesting. I'm looking forward to playing this on my new vinyl setup. Let's get the knife out again and try not to kill the packaging or me. So slip off the outer plastic, and here it is in all its glory. So it's a gatefold brand new album. So what do we get in here? We get a bit of information from MoFi. Essentially it's advertising, showing you what else they have on their catalogue. This is a double 45. Here we go. This is 180 grams, I think. This looks pretty damn good. So this is, pardon me, I'll get myself organised here. It's the first record in this lovely arrangement. I'll put that over there as well. And grab the second record, which has some more of their advertisement. And here is the second one. So 180 grams, I'm pretty sure this is. Double album. Seems pretty nice. Should be lovely. So I'll put that on and give that a play a bit later on. And then while I'm here, I'll show you some other stuff that I picked up from a local record store slash we call it the Mill Market here, and it's a place in Geelong where they have all kinds of vintage old stuff, including old records. And I picked up a really nice copy of Tommy. The album's a little bit worn, but the records inside were beautiful. So I'll be playing that later on. I also picked up a copy of George Benson's Breezin', which is going to be nice too. I'm a bit of a George Benson fan. Next one I picked up was a Boss Skaggs album, as you can see. So another nice one. Also Joan Armour Trading. So another one that I picked up from the record shop out there at the Mill Market, and a mono version of a Shirley Bassey album. Phillips record. It looks really nice, actually. Really good looking record. And this one I picked up, which I've been chasing for a while. Toto's album 4, which is quite a famous one. It's actually a really good variant of the Australian pressing of this album. It's the more sought after one. You're you're trying to get. I've already played this, and sounds amazing. And I also picked up a version of Local Hero, Mark Knopfler as well. So yeah, also really nice. I've already played this, and it was really lovely to play, and I thought I'd just shoot this on video, show you guys some of the finds I'm getting down at the mill market, which is pretty cool. And then of course that MoFi version of Alan Parsons' Eye in the Sky, which I can't wait to put on over there and have a listen to. So thanks for watching this. Just a few little finds, so I thought I'd turn the camera around and show you what's turning up on the doorstep. That MoFi pressing arrived about 20 minutes ago in the post, so it's brand spanking new, and looking forward to giving that a play and seeing what it sounds like. And I'll be sure to report back and let you know, and probably even play a few 1-minute shorts so you guys can actually have a listen to it. So anyway, thanks for watching. Love having you on board. If you're interested and you're really enjoying this stuff, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. Love building the an Aussie Audiophile family, and bringing more people into what I'm doing here. There's lots more stuff coming up with the Linkwitz LX521 build series. Very shortly I'll show you the next video, which is me packing everything up and it heading off up to Coffs Harbour where Paul lives, and then you'll see the whole process of it being unpacked up there, and going through all that process of setting it all up and getting it all sounding phenomenal. You've seen some of that already. I've jumped forward, but this is that process leading up to that, and then the interview with Paul, which is quite interesting as well. So stay tuned for all of that. There's heaps more coming up soon. Love having you on board. Bye for now.